So there's a tulip from my channel icon, still around a couple years later, which is nice to see. And a couple fancy daffodils. But the reason I started here is I wanted to show you this. It's a miniature maple tree. Leaves haven't come out yet. But this is what I wanted to show you. It's an egg case for a praying mantis. So if I'm lucky and I time it right, I'll be around when they start hatching out of there, and hopefully get some pictures and video of them whenever that day comes. So now mostly daffodils are out, a couple tulips, and I'll just give you a quick overview. Kind of a lot of empty space, rebuilding some things here, but there's a lot of green of flowers to come later in the month or in May. There's another one. I love that flower, but maybe this year I'll pick a new channel icon. And these grape hyacinth, they're just starting out. There's a lot of them all along the border. This way and all the way around front. Next month, this azalea is going to be a blazing pink. It's going to be great. And here's a few miniature daffodils around this tree, this birch tree. Nice daffodils again, plenty of these around. This is a little tiny, comes from a tiny bulb, comes back every year. And I think I had just like this tiny 1 or 2 flowers originally a couple years ago in that spot, and it's spreading because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another one back here. And another one here that's not open yet. I can't, there it goes. But started out over here and now it's spreading across, so hopefully we'll, next couple of years, this whole area will be filled with it. And then that's it, it's just a one-time show. These blue flowers for the first few weeks of spring and gone until next year.
Sto solo guardando.
Sto solo guardando.
Sto solo guardando. Il mercato.
Il mercato.
Il mercato.
Il mercato.